girl. Wrong way. Liberty, come here. Good girl. Come on. You can do it. That's your own pee, goofball. Come on. Come on, baby. Good girl. You good girl. You gonna do it? Be a big girl. What a good girl. What a good girl. Ooh. Nope, see? Ouch. Where are you going? The ice is too thick. She weighs 40 pounds. Ooh, she's gonna fall. I know right now you guys are looking at nothing. She's cleverly standing right behind a tree and I can't maneuver in the snow. There we go. Don't eat that. Good girl. Come here, baby girl. Hello. She says, I will go inside now. You can stay there. Liberty, come here. I don't have her leash. Come here, Lib. Come here, Liberty. Come here. Libby. I know it's cold. Good girl. Clearly her recall is just rock solid. Yay! And now all of PBF gets to watch you poop. What a good girl. Don't eat it. Good girl, Lib.